Hi, guys. So we wanted to jump on here real quick and give you guys a behind the scenes sneak peek of the cold email campaign that we're rolling out. This is part of the docu series that Russ Liebowitz of Recruitemy and myself we're documenting our journey of starting a new recruiting business off of the ground within the niche of crypto and blockchain, which is the area that I come from, as well as documenting the side of the house on 5G and further scaling that out as well. And so, one of the biggest strategies, one of the best strategies that you can use in your recruiting business is cold email campaigns, right? Cold email outreach. Many people say cold email is dead. It's not 2005. Well, part of that's right. Yes, the conversion rate is not as high as it was, but a big piece of that is clearly identifying your target audience, right? Who could actually benefit from the product or service I have? Um, how do I position that in the body of the email? How many times do I follow up? And there are many things. How many different email addresses do I use to send that out? And all of these things increase the likelihood that not only will the email land in the inbox, not the spam box, but that it will actually be open. So with our campaign, we're starting slowly, and there's many reasons for that. As we get into 2023, in fact, our goal is that by June of 2023, about the next 6 months, we will be in a position to where we can actually have at least 1,000 cold emails going out every single day, Monday through Friday. That's over 20,000 cold emails per month. With those types of numbers, combined with the fact that we have an 80% open rate already, and I'll come back to that, that's off the charts, combined with the fact that amount of volume going out, massive open rates, there's no way that does not result in gaining some clients in meetings, which turn into clients. And so the system that we're using is instantly.ai. And they are phenomenal. By the way, this is not a paid sponsorship. They have no idea who I even am, but we're very, very happy customers with Instantly for several reasons. Now, you can also check out the Instantly YouTube channel. I will be putting out some videos over a period of time, going into more deep dives on how to set up your cold email and those types of things. You really, if you want to learn that, just go here. This is where I've learned a tremendous amount about cold email. I've watched every single video they put out. Many I've watched 2 times. Most I've watched 2 times. Some I've watched 4 or 5 times, back to back to back, to learn every bit of information I can learn from Instantly. They're masters at what they do, and so one of the things with cold emails here, and I briefly showed you here because I wanted to show you that we already have an 80% open rate. Uh, but one of the things with cold emails is that if you're trying to send cold emails from one single inbox, again, that will probably go to spam boxes. That's number one. Number two, even if it doesn't, if you're trying to hand jam that, there's no way you can. I mean, maybe you could send 1,000 a day. I don't think so. I've done manually. The most I've been able to do was just under 200 emails a day. And that was really cranking it out, skipping lunch. It's very hard for a human being to do that. You cannot do that consistently. So having something like Instantly in place to where this is automated is critical to actually scale the business, to have consistent outreach, outbound sales efforts happening. And so one of the first things we did out the gate, and by the way, I'm going to make a totally separate video about how we are building our list. Thus far, I have 2,800 companies listed out. I've been doing this part myself, working about 110 hours a week. It's a lot of work in the beginning, a tremendous amount of work. But once you have everything in place, then it's very, very automated, and you're able to focus on the working on your business and not working so much in your business. You'll have clients coming to you, and you'll be able to get recs and of course get placements and get paid, right? Which is what this is all about. So the first thing that we did was we actually created 10 domains 10. And you can see here we have finblockss.co. SS is Staffing Solutions. finblockss.co.uk.info. Now, these are very cheap. You can find a lot of these if you have a recruiting business. You can find that you can buy these domains very, very cheap. Most of these domains cost about $12 a year. I went ahead and bought them for 2 years. So it was, yeah, it was very, very cheap. You're looking at $25 for 2 years per domain. So it's probably all in all with tax and everything, $300, under $300 to get 2 domains. Within the domains, we created email addresses per each domain. And so you see here, Clarence. Mike is our colleague who's American based out of Turkey. We have Mike strategically placed because he's out making outreach to Europe, to UK, to Dubai, soon to be Singapore. So we have Mike and, of course, Russ as well. And so we have 30 total emails. The max number that we will ever send out per email address is 30. And so currently, based off of this, we could go as high as 900 emails being sent out every single day. And so that's massive. We're probably going to add a little bit more, particularly on the Connect Gen side as well, the 5G side. We're going to probably double the amount of domains on that side. And so we'll be able to push more than 1,000 cold emails again per day. I'm going to do a total separate video here about how to set all this up, because again, it's not getting to the place to where you have automation is very grueling, very rigorous, very tedious. But once this is rolling, we will have over at a minimum 500 emails, going out every single day, nonstop. Again, with the aim of 1,000 emails every single day on autopilot. And then we're just taking those meetings, filling those recs, and getting paid. So hopefully this has been some value to you. Again, you can check out in the description below Instantly, as well as the Instantly YouTube videos. And we'll be coming out with more videos on the details of how we're creating the list, getting all of this actually set up, and maintaining it. Hopefully you got some value out of this. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Take care.